What if I told you, time isn't as fixed as you think? What if we could stretch it, slow it down, or even loop it? Sounds like sci-fi? It's not. Have you ever noticed how time flies when you're having fun, but crawls when you're bored? That's not just in your head, it's a clue. Time might not be a rigid, universal clock ticking away. Instead, it's a perception, a construct of both our minds and the universe itself. Einstein once said, "Time is an illusion." So if time is an illusion, can illusions be bent? Wait, are you telling me my Netflix binge sessions actually warp reality? Mind blown. But what if this illusion isn't just in our heads? What if the fabric of time itself can be stretched and twisted? Einstein's theory of relativity shattered our old ideas. Imagine traveling near the speed of light. Time would actually slow down for you compared to someone on Earth. Astronauts age slower, literally bending time with their speed. So, does that mean we've already bent time? Yes, in a way we have. Massive objects like black holes warp space-time so much that time itself bends around them. If you stood near a black hole for just 1 hour, centuries could pass elsewhere. Even GPS satellites orbiting Earth need constant time corrections because gravity slows their clocks differently than ours on the ground. Time bending isn't just theory, it's happening right now. So next time your phone GPS glitches, just remember it's not a bug, it's time bending. But what if bending time isn't just slowing or speeding it up? What if time could loop or fold back on itself? Enter wormholes, cosmic shortcuts through space-time. Theoretically, bending space this way could also bend time. Physicists talk about closed time-like curves, real physics that allow for loops in time. Imagine time circling back on itself. What if you could relive moments or change the past? Sounds like sci-fi, but it's grounded in serious science. But is it possible to build a time machine? Let's find out. Kip Thorne, a Nobel-winning physicist, developed equations that suggest time machines might be possible, if we can manipulate wormholes and exotic matter. These complex formulas look like sci-fi but come from real science. Could fiction be the future? Freezing time might sound impossible, but what about biological time? Cryonics and suspended animation aim to pause human life without bending space-time. Could we pause aging, effectively freezing our personal time? The race to conquer biological time is on. Imagine hitting the pause button on life, Netflix, but for your body. Here's a shocker. Everyday tech like your smartphone's GPS relies on time bending. Atomic clocks on planes tick differently than those on Earth due to speed and gravity, and we correct for that every day. We're living with bent time right now, whether we notice it or not. But what if time isn't just a one-way street? Why does time only move forward? The arrow of time points one way because of entropy, disorder increasing. But some theories challenge this, suggesting time could reverse or loop. Could déjà vu be a glitch in time itself? What if moments repeat or fold back? If time could reverse, what would that mean for us? Now the big question, if you could bend time, would you? Changing the past risks paradoxes, like the grandfather paradox where altering history could erase your own existence. Or maybe multiverse theories save the day, creating alternate realities. Time travel isn't just science, it's a philosophical minefield. So, messing with time might be the ultimate cosmic don't try this at home. Time isn't a ticking clock, it's a flexible fabric woven with speed, gravity, and perception. Maybe one day humanity will learn to weave it ourselves. So here's the question to leave you with. If you could bend time just once, forward or backward, what moment would you visit? The past, the future, or maybe the moment right now? If this blew your mind, hit like and subscribe for more cosmic mysteries. And drop your time-bending moment in the comments. I'm dying to know.